At Access Holdings, we believe education is the bridge to a better tomorrow. In 2024, our initiatives transformed the lives of over 5 million children and young people across Africa, nurturing creativity, financial literacy, and sustainable practices. Through STEAM FunFest, we inspired over 7,700 children across Nigeria, Gambia, Sierra Leone, and Kenya, with hands-on training in coding, robotics, animation, and science experiments. Our Global Money Week program equipped 82,331 children in 20 Nigerian states and 5 African countries with financial literacy and entrepreneurial skills. We established 25 financial literacy clubs and distributed 2,500 resources, igniting a passion for financial independence. With a sandal more, we donated 14,200 pairs of eco-friendly sandals made from recycled tires to underserved children in Nigeria and Ghana. 100 youths were trained in eco-conscious business practices, promoting sustainability in every step. Project Educate Me empowered over 2 million underserved children in 8 Nigerian states, including 1,000 children in IDP camps. Learning centers were established, and 4,000 resources were donated to schools, fostering academic, financial, and digital literacy. The Shape the Future initiative provided 18,021 children with financial education, laying a foundation for sustainable economic growth. Together, we are transforming education, unlocking dreams, and shaping Africa's future.